Hey everyone, it's Rob Regan, TowelPros Microfiber Specialist. I've got a couple deals going on this weekend. Happy Easter Passover weekend. And we went through our stock and decided we're going to sell some Optimum product this weekend. We love Optimum products. We use O&R on our own cars. I haven't used a car wash soap, to be honest, in about 3 or 4 years, nor have I had a pressure washer. But anyway, this is the deal for the weekend. The O&R with wax and the O&R original are 25% off in the store right now, regardless of anything else. That's it. All right, I've reduced the price of the OptiSeal, the 8-ounce bottle, to $22, but there is a way to get it free, so hold on just a moment. Right now, what we've got going on, some of you have seen the other videos I'm posting. I'm on spring break this week, so I'm getting a lot of work done. Right now, with any order that's $25 or more before shipping, I'm putting in 2 of the green microfiber mitts. We had those made years ago, and they're super handy at interior wipe downs because you get your hand in there, and it still fits in the small crevice areas. This microfiber material picks up about anything. It's amazing. Great interior wipe down product. You also, for the $25 order, will get a double pack of the gold microfiber applicators. So that's just there if you order $25 or more before shipping. This weekend, from now until Sunday, if your order is $50 or more, you still get that little package, but I'm going to put in 2 ounces of OptiSeal in there for free. That goes in your box. If you haven't used OptiSeal, you really should try to get the $50. This is also known as a drying aid. It's like a 6-month sealant, but a little spritz, maybe 1 per panel, is amazing at how quickly it dries everything out. If your order is $100 or more, I'm not going to put in the 2 ounce, I'm going to put in an 8-ounce bottle. You don't have to order O&R or the green O&R or a gloss coat to get anything thrown in. It's just based on the money. So $100 or more, you get the 8 ounces. The new products that we're trying to push, we have the dual-sided black applicator. The strap flips over to both sides, interior applicator. This wheel brush is feather tipped. It's very, very soft. It's very soft before it even gets wet. We love this brush, and the color scheme we think is pretty cool. And then we have the 3 new towels. These are the 16 by 24 inch 380 GSM towels that are a 70-30 blend. The color scheme though is just different. This is like Green Bay Packers colors. These are LA Lakers. And this is the sharpest of the 3, everyone tells me is they like this out of the 3, is a red with a purple edge. And these are all in the new items area of the site. So there are new things to try out. We're giving away some free stuff, and we're discounting the O&R and the O&R green and even the gloss coat. I've got about 5 of these left. They're the 10 cc's, and they're reduced to $50 per syringe. That'll run until probably Monday morning, and then this deal will go away, and I'll come up with something else in the next couple weeks. All right, you guys, thanks a lot. Appreciate it. You've been great, and we'll talk to you soon.